So I'm at work, I do HVAC, and I find a bad box. The guy at the parts store, he says, that there box is bulletproof. I said, I can't even get the fucking thing to stay shut and work, so I need it replaced. But I'm gonna show you all if it's bulletproof or not. We'll start off with a couple through the front and go from there. I got my trusty old Taurus 9mm. Go back about 15 yards just to be safe. It's definitely in there. Well, hell, we got to try a couple more. Pretty impressive. Be real impressive. I'm gonna light this motherfucker up. Bulletproof, they say. It didn't go through the back. I know, it's entertaining. Very entertaining, right? Well, at least I think so. I don't know about bulletproof though. I will tell you, that's 49 rounds right there, and only 2 penetrated it. The 2 that penetrated it, here's one of the shells. Here's one that didn't. Cool enough for a guy like me. Guess I can call it bulletproof.